welcome to Evoke Technologies Prediction Series 2022. I'm Laura Vaughn, I'm Director of Consulting Sales, and I'm joined by Kankana Choudhury. She's the Director of Mobile and Augmented Reality. As we enter into 2022, there's an eagerness to know what's in technology, and we're going to find out what trends lie ahead from Kankana. Hi, Kankana. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me today.
Thank you, Laura. It's my pleasure talking to you.
So will 2022 be the year of voice-assisted apps for good adoption for enterprises?
Yes, absolutely. Actually, using voice and gesture in apps is actually the natural way of human interaction. And that's why we call it the native user interface, because voice-powered feature actually save users from complicated app navigations. Now, these voice assistance applications have become even more evident during the COVID times. I know of certain lift companies who have started experimenting with voice-activated elevators in order to reduce the transmission of germs by touch. Also, when we go to order food in store, instead of touch navigation in those large kiosks, there are voice commands to place an order. So definitely voice, vision, gesture, these are going to create the new experiences for mobile app in the future.
So what's the advantage of augmented reality in the mobile app industry?
So if you see industry segment-wise, AR is extremely well adopted in pharma, in manufacturing, and in e-commerce. You must have seen some GPS-based AR apps where you can find your already parked car in a 3D way. Then there are some e-commerce apps where using face detection, you can apply a piece of clothing, accessory, makeup, etc. And then I've also seen in manufacturing where in very hazardous environments, you have to be situation aware, and your hands should be free in order for you to do the work. So augmented reality glasses are a very nice way to actually be present doing the work and also use the digital apps. I've been recently following the Meta, where they are using actually social media for their AR glasses. But I think it's going to get into enterprise really soon, and AR glasses will be the future of computing, actually.
So in 2021, conversion rates for mobile apps, e-commerce apps, are up 70% higher than websites. What can we predict from this trend?
E-commerce actually is a very interesting space, and they have used mobile app to their advantage, right? So there are some really nice features like push notification, because they nudge the users to actually check out their carts, and there are so many other features, but the game changer is the personalization feature. Mobile device is a very personal device, right? And it gets your maximum attention. So some of the features like recommendation, proactive caching, they actually enable mobile commerce in such a way that it actually increases the order placement by almost 30% compared to a website. And just imagine on top of it, if we are able to use augmented reality, then the shopping experience becomes, goes to the next level. So with all these technology actually playing a really important role, I think the mobile commerce is definitely going to double in next couple of years.
Interesting. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to share technology predictions on AR and mobile e-commerce. They are great thought starters for enterprises. I hope you have a wonderful day, Kankana, and thank you again for your time.
Thank you, Laura. It was lovely speaking to you, and you have a great year ahead.